Hi, my name is Aaron Taft, and I'm the softseed trade manager at ADM here in Chicago, Illinois. I'd like to thank the Lloydminster office for having me to update you on the canola market and what's to be expected the week ahead. Let's start with last week and why canola showed some weakness. It was down $6.70, and that was mainly due to strength in the Canadian dollar. And reaching a recent high of 73.25. As we move into next week, though, volatility in global currencies will certainly affect the canola markets, but also we have the USDA World Ag Supply and Demand estimates out that could provide additional volatility. Generally speaking, there's not a whole lot of revisions expected in this report, but as we get into it, we can see that Brazil and Argentina have large crops. No major revisions are expected. They're going to be expected at 99.4 million tons versus 100 million tons last month. Argentina is 56.9 versus 57 million tons last month. And global carryout stocks are expected at 79 million tons versus 79.3. The number that I'm looking at most is really the U.S. carryout number in soybeans. 445 million bushels versus 440 million bushels last month. The one major change in that number that could really impact the canola markets is the soybean crush number in the U.S. It's expected at 1.89 billion bushels, and a lot of market participants believe that could be lowered due to additional competition from South America and their large crop. So if that's the case, then there's also going to be less oil produced and veg oil produced in the United States. And with an additional biodiesel demand through mandates, there could be a tightening balance sheet in the veg oil market in the U.S., which lends support to canola seed. In addition to the USDA Supply and Demand reports, you can continue to see if we continue to see strength in the palm market because of El Nino, that could lend support to canola as well as volatility in the global macroeconomic environment could provide price action. Again, thank you guys for your interest in ADM, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your ADM Lloydminster representative. Thanks.